refrigeration exam, HVAC exam, practice question set 21. Number 1, what is the maximum percent of mineral oil in POE? Answer 5% via refractometer. Number 2, how to calculate superheat on R400 systems? Answer, measured vapor temperature, dew point. 3, how to calculate subcooling on R400 series systems? Answer, bubble point, measured liquid temperature. Number 4, how to charge capillary tube air conditioning system? Answer, suction superheat. Number 5, how to charge TXV AC systems? Answer, subcooling. Number 6, how to maintain HRV? Answer, change filters, clean core. Number 7, how to leak test subatmospheric chiller? Answer, pressurize at 5 psi and use electronic leak detector. Relief valve 15 psi. Pneumatic valve for heating. Setup. Answer, normally open 3 psi, close 7 psi. Pneumatic valve for cooling. Answer, normally close. Setting, close 8 psi, open 13 psi. Number 13, leak checking ammonia. How? Answer, sulphur stick candle, white smoke, and litmus paper, pH 14. Leak testing freon. Answer, for CFC, chlorine in ounces per year, and for HFCs, fluorine in ounces per year. What is the acceptable mineral oil concentration converting CFC to HCFC? Answer, 5%. How to test bypass or cooling on cooling tower? Answer, cool down leaving sensor and observe 100% bypass. Number 7, what controls humidity? Answer, temperature difference. Share the knowledge, help people. Remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. Link to my blog is right here, where you can see the other sets that I have made. Okay, that's it for this one. Cheers and have a good one.